Guys, this is one of my favorite accessories combo on the Aprilia RSV4s. So let's start this thing up so you guys can hear it, and then I'll get a close-up of it. Brand new bike leaving us right now. That's it. That's an Akrapovic Slip On, and that's a Competition Werkes Fender Eliminator kit with the Rizoma Leggera turn signals. My current favorite, second being the SC Project SC1R exhaust. I'll be posting a video of the SC1R on a similar bike on another RSV4 very soon. Stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot, guys.